So get ready for a surprise because Xiaomi is up to something big. They are working on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and let me tell you, it has the power to give a tough competition to the Samsung S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, according to a recent leak by DCS, the upcoming Xiaomi 14 Ultra might boast a cool curved display with a minimal bezels on the sides, top and bottom. In addition, this device could spot a single center hole punch for the selfie camera and offer the HyperOS experience. Now this device has been given the codename Vinti. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra coded Vinti is going to feature a massive 5180 mAh battery size. Additionally, it will have a 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging capability. All of this will be combined with the Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset, which will make it a highly powerful flagship device. The 8 Gen 3 now has a 98% more powerful NPU for faster processing. The new CPU is 30% more powerful and 20% more power efficient. The GPU is 25% more powerful and power efficient as well. What makes this processor interesting is its support for a Unreal Engine 5 Lumen and improved ray tracing. In terms of gaming, this might put up a tough fight against the Bionic A17 Pro. So without a doubt, this is a significant improvement over the 8 Gen 2 chipset. Now in terms of camera, Xiaomi is equipping it with a 450 megapixel sensor on the back. These include the Sony LYT900 sensor as the main camera, dual telephoto lenses, a periscope camera and lastly a super wide-angle sensor. In April, get ready for an incredible powerful flagship phone to hit the market. What's even more thrilling is that the new Xiaomi phone comes with the HyperOS replacing MIUI, resulting in an awesome premium user experience. Check out this cool new Xiaomi HyperOS logo and guess what, they are even bringing it to other Xiaomi devices worldwide. Xiaomi has been doing some great work recently in the smartphone industry. Now Xiaomi has also entered into other industry, creating a Xiaomi ecosystem that pairs phones with cars, allowing all phones information to be accessible in the car. This is a cool step towards the future. So let me know what you think of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.